Hey beautiful people, Raja is again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you that something every business owner needs inside Go High Level. And we're going to set up a complete booking system inside Go High Level. So today we're going to create a calendar, and then we're going to connect with the Zoom or Google Meet. So whenever someone is going to books, they're going to receive automatically uh, Zoom link, and then we're going to set up also an automation emails, so they're going to receive the reminders. So let's jump into this tutorial. So let me share my screen and show you step by step how it works and how you can do that by yourself.
So we are here on WordPress dashboard. So first we have to connect the Zoom. So for that, what you have to do, underneath conversation, you need to see here, you will see the calendars. Click over there and click on the top. You're going to see over here calendar settings, and then after that you need to click on the connection, and then later on we're going to create a calendar. So I'm going to click on the connection on the top over here, and make sure if you don't see yourself here, if you have an agency account, make sure you need to add yourself as a staff by going to go in settings and click over here my staff, and then there you need to add yourself if you have an agency account. Then you can see these features over here, right? If you have the sub account, then it's totally fine. Then you need to just click on over connections, and then you will be over here, and then you're going to see your name. And what you have to do, just click on here, new, add a new over there, and here you can see you can add your calendar. If suppose you want to connect your calendars, Google Outlook, iCloud, or Calendly. Suppose you are working with another calendars as well. So if you're going to connect this one, so it will avoid double bookings for you, right? So this is also very cool features if you want to connect the calendars. And the next underneath, you're going to see video conferencing, and here you can read out automatically generate a unique meeting links and share them whenever an appointment is scheduled, right? So whenever someone is going to book, automatically new link will be generated. You can share with them, or we're going to set up automatically they're going to receive the confirmation and reminders as well. So first, what you need to do, if you want to connect the Google Meet, you need to click over here. For this tutorial, we're going to go with the Zoom. So I will click on the connect, and it will automatically will be connected. And now you can see with the one click, because my Zoom was logged in my Google account. So yeah, it was connected. And once it's done, what you have to do, here you will see that your account will be connected. What you have to do, once the Zoom is connected, then you need to go again on the top. You're going to see the calendars. Click over there, and here we need to create a calendar. And if I'm going to click on add a new calendar, here you can see there's some type of the calendars, like the personal 101 meeting schedule calendar, or Robin, where the team members in routing order, right, like a sales call or onboarding sessions. For the class, there will be the one host and multiple like a participant. It is good for the webinar, training, and online classes. And then we have the collective booking as well, right? So these are all the types. So in this tutorial, we're going to go whatever you choose, the process will same. So we will choose the personal booking 101, and then I'm give it the calendar name. So I'm going to give it the name free 30 minutes discovery call. Right, so I'm going to give this name, and then make sure whatever the meeting duration you want to add. And here is also option, if you want to make the booking like to accept the payments, you can also make sure to click on here to accept the payments. And then what you need to do, just click on advanced settings, because we have to configure the Zoom as well here. So you can add here calendar logo and some description if you want to show. And then here you will see the custom meeting. It says Raja Sain and meeting location custom. So we're going to click on it, and then we're going to select the Zoom. So now the Zoom is connected with this calendar, right? So location will be the Zoom. So I'm going to click on the save, and now I'm going to show you something that here we go. So it's saved. Then I'm going to click on share the calendar, and now here likewise we can if I click on the share again here, now we have the schedule link or one-time link or embed code that you can add in your website, right? So in this tutorial, if you want to share the link, you can copy and come over here and click over here. So I'm going to add here, and now you can see the calendar is working fine, right? So now we need to do automation, but if you want to add in a website, you just can copy this code and you can add this anywhere, right? It's quite simple and easy. So I will go to automation because we have the calendars already we have done and connected the Zoom, and now we will go move forward with automation. So here in left side, you're going to see underneath the automation. So click over there, and then once you are there, let me to create here a folder, maybe 101 folder I want to name it, right? Inside the 101, I'm going to create a workflow automation separately for this calendar, right? So I'm going to create a workflow, and then I'm going to click on it, and we're going to, it says we can take the templates, right? There are so many here. You can see that we can take let me to scroll down all the way down. So yeah, this will be fine if we go back because it's going to save a lot of the time, like this one. Receive payment confirmation, reminder, survey request, right? You can take the template or receive booking appointment. But right now we're going to go from the scratch. I will click on to start from the scratch, but there are so many templates that you can use, and I'm going to okay, it came back. So let me go back again to automation, then 101, and inside 101 we have this workflow. So I'm going to change this name to like the free discovery call 101, like 101. I just want to give that name, right? And now we're going to add a new trigger. So it means to start this automation, what trigger will be. So we're going to click on the trigger, add a new trigger, and here we can write appointment, and here you're going to see the appointment status. I'm going to click on it, and then you can always give its name, workflow trigger, appointment status, and event type is normal. And then we're going to add a new filter over here, and then we're going to select in calendar, and then we're going to write here fair discovery, free 30-minute discovery call, right? So I'm going to give it this name. Yeah, this is going to be fine. Maybe I give it a Raja, something like that. Let me see. No, so free 30-minute discovery call, right? So we need to click on the save trigger over by clicking over there, and then now we can send them an automation and automatically email. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, and then we're going to add a wait a lot, or we can directly sending them email. So I will write here email. So as soon as someone is going to book appointment or book the calendar, then they're going to receive an email. So right, so here from maybe you can write a Raja, something like that. You can give it name as always, and from info at rajasain.com, right? But you can always personalize this also settings in GoHighLevel settings. And the subject, so I have write down some automation emails over here. So I will make this copy from here, copy. I will add this subject over here, and then let me just copy this one again, copy all, right? So I'm going to paste this over here, and then what we have to do, I'm just going to replace this one and take off, and then I'm going to click on this custom values, right? And I'm going to click on the contact, and I will say the first name, right? So it will be like automatically it's going to take the first name, hi, and the first name, the one who is going to book. And then this message, we're going to say, thank you for booking call with me, and here is detail. And for the date, we're going to take off this one, and again we go to custom values, and then we go back, and in appointment we're going to add here the start date, right? And the meeting location, meeting type is Zoom, that's fine. For the Zoom link, we need to take off this one from here. And now again we're going to go in the custom values, and then here in appointments, go again and scroll down all the way, and here you will see the option, the meeting location. Click over there, and now we're going to get this tag over here automatically, right? So it will be generated automatically with the link. I will show you after a while. So we're going to take off this one, and now it looks pretty fine, right? So then we need to click on the save action, and yep. So now what else we can do? As soon as someone is going to books calendar, then automatically they're going to receive this email. But after, we want to add a wait, right? We want to wait like a before meeting is going to be start. I want to give them another reminder in an hour. So I'm going to click on over here, even appointment time. So I'm going to say before the event is going to be start, before the 1 hour, right? Before the 1 hour, we're going to select over here hours, right? And I'm going to say before the 1 hour. Here you can add the days, but I have added the hours. Before 1 hour, they going to receive another email. So for that, I have write down another email. So maybe subject, I'm going to say reminder over here. And then what we can do very quick, let me show you. We're going to copy this, and we can paste over here, right? So we can, let me do that again. Copy this, copy it, and we're going to paste this over here, right? So we have duplicated the email. So I will go inside it, and inside now I can change the text. So subject will be this one, right? And then the text, we can entirely change. Maybe we're going to say your meeting is going to, hey Raj, something like that. Your meeting is going to be starting in 1 hour. So I'm going to say like this one, and maybe I'm going to take off this one. This looks great, and yeah, like that. And then looking forward to here save. And now what's going to happen when someone is going to books the meeting with the calendar, they're going to receive instantly an email. And before meeting is going to be start, before the 1 hour, they're going to receive another email 2. So you can give it a name like email 2, right? You can add as much as you want, and you can add the delay. So make sure once it's done, click on this publish, and make sure click on the save. Okay, once it's done, we're going to go in the calendar again. So we're going to test it. So let me to refresh it again, the link we had for the calendar. So I am here in the calendar link. So now I'm going to book it 5 Friday, and then I'm going to select the time, whatever I want. Then I'm going to add the information, and adding here the number. And then here we can add our email, and then maybe I am testing. So you can write anything what you want. I am testing, and make sure click on confirm and click on schedule meeting. And then once it's done, now you can see that your meeting has been scheduled. And then here we can see we got the time here over here, 30 minutes, and the calendar time, date, and the link as well. And automatically once you book the call, you're going to receive an email as well. Likewise, we did the setup and automation. So I'm going to check that and go to Gmail, and now I'm going to click over here, and now it says, hey Raj, thank you for your booking call, and your appointment is confirmed, and here are the details. Now you can see that date, December, and meeting type Zoom, and the link as well. So yeah, you could see how it works, and this is very simple as easy to do on the GoHighLevel. And I'm pretty sure this video is going to be very useful for you. If you are totally on my YouTube, if you are totally new on my YouTube channel, make sure subscribe it. And if you want to connect with me, and if you feel any difficulty, and you can reach out me through my website by writing rajasain.com. I'm going to give the link below, and you can always book a free discovery call with me where we can discuss about your project, and we can give you ideas. And if you scroll down all the way, you can see our work, what we do, and our latest projects, people's feedback. And you can always connect me on LinkedIn by clicking over here, LinkedIn. And then I'm going to give my link below in description as well, so you can connect me over there as well. So I think yeah, here is my account. You can connect me by clicking on the connect. And I think that's it for now. And if you have any question, just feel free to reach out, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you, and see you in another tutorial.